Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, north central Monongalia County in northern West Virginia, north central Marion County in northern West Virginia, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Casco, or 10 miles west of Star City, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Casco, Blacksville, Brave, McCurdyville, Daybrook, Georgetown, Pentrus, Court, Crown. This includes Interstate 79 in West Virginia near mile marker 152. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.